Okay, this unit that we are now going to look at is about multiplying polynomials. The outcome for this is that students will demonstrate an understanding of the multiplication of monomials, binomials, and trinomials, concretely, pictorially, and symbolically. To be a level 2, you are consistent with multiplying monomials by polynomials, and you are consistent with the process of how to multiply binomials by binomials, but maybe you make consistent mistakes, maybe they are with signs. To be a level 3, you are consistent with multiplying binomials by binomials. And to be a level 4, you're able to simplify, model, and explain multiplying polynomials. Some ways you might show this are, you may be able to multiply all types of polynomials accurately. You are able to perform error analysis on multiplication of polynomials. You are able to show multiplication pictorially, concretely, and symbolically. You can explain the relationship of binomial multiplication to two-digit number multiplication. So just a quick review of what a polynomial is. It's a sum of monomials. And two examples are x plus 5 is a polynomial. 2a squared minus 6ab plus 18b squared is a polynomial. They are sums of monomials. So I'd like you to take a minute and I'd like you to think about this. Think back to what you did in Math 9. See if you can determine the product of each of these. All right, in this first one, hopefully you will have remembered that you need to multiply these together, and that 2 times 3 is 6, and we have the variable x, so it's 6x. In the second one, hopefully you remembered that the constant on the outside needs to be multiplied to both terms of the polynomial. So 3 times 2x is 6x, 3 times 1 is 3. So it's 6x plus 3. You do not add those together because they are not like terms. What's this third one? The 2 has to multiply to every single term. 2 times 2x squared would be 4x squared. The variable does not change as it is just a constant out in front. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times the last term of 4 is 8. And again, we do not simplify because there are no like terms. When you have a negative constant, the process does not change. It is still negative 2 times 3x, which would be negative 6x. Negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Take the constant negative 2, multiply it to 2x squared, negative 4x squared. Negative 2 times x will be negative 2x. We will have negative 8x. All right, so you are taking the constant and you are multiplying it to every term in the binomial. If you want to see this pictorially or concretely so that you can actually visualize it, 4 times 3x, there are a couple of ways you can look at it. You can look at it as using algebra tiles. And what we have is 4. 4 indicates that there are 4 rows here. And the 3x means there are 3 groups of 3x tiles. All right, and now if you count all of these up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12x tiles. 4 times 3 is 12, and the variable remains. Or you can model this as the area of a rectangle, and the dimensions are 4 and 3x. And so when you do area, you're multiplying, and therefore it is represented by an area of 12